I'm Kelly on behalf of Expert Village. I'm going to show you some tips and techniques that you can use for a gold holiday look. So now we're going to set off our look by doing some neutral glossy lips. So we're just going to fill in her entire lip with a little bit of neutral lip liner. And I'm going to take some gold gloss and I'm going to fill in her lip with that. So this will finish off our holiday silver and gold glam look.